Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Once again I'm back with another AliExpress unboxing. Without further ado, let's start cutting. And as always, I have my trusty knife that I got from AliExpress as well. Before I start cutting, if you have any guess on what's hiding inside this package, leave the guesses in the comment below. Alright, so I'm done unboxing what was inside the package. Let's start with this. This is just a gimbal. We're gonna call it a gimbal. It's a strap, and you wear it just like a backpack. And this part of the strap is gonna be in front. And to this part, you're gonna attach this. Things like this. Yes. Exactly. You're gonna attach this, and to this you're gonna attach one of these, right? I think depending on how you want it to hang, this is gonna go here, this one goes here, right? And then you can either use this one. Yes, this one goes here, and to this one you attach, because this goes this way, so you're gonna attach this way, right? And you have this one. I think you can turn it around. Yes, and then you can either have your phone like this or like this. So this is for, instead of holding your phone in your hand, you can strap it on this and wear it. So that's what this is. And they came with a screw, and this takes a flat battery, and this is to start your camera. I haven't tested it because I'll just unbox it, but if I've had some of these before, they only work once you connect them with Bluetooth, and this only works once the phone is inside the camera app. Then you can start the camera, I think. And then you got a user manual, but it's useless because it's all in Chinese. But I mean, if you really want to find out what's in here, you can use Google Lens to translate it right away. And beside that you have this and this. So that was the first thing that was inside the package. The second thing is it's more exciting, is a biometric lock. You do have a user manual here, how to set it up, and this lock can be this lock does work with an app. The app is called City Lock. You can get the app on Android and iOS. So that's the user manual. Then you have a bunch of keys, just for safety backup, to fall back on if the lock is out of battery and stuff. And in here you also have some screws. Then you have this, which is part of the lock, setting up the lock. This one is when you set up the lock, this magnetic thing is the one that tells the lock to lock in. This one. And then you have 2 key cards. Let's just take them away. And here you have there's nothing under. So this is part of the system of the lock working system. So this part is gonna be the outdoors. When you put it on the door, like on the gate, if you put this one on the gate, this part is gonna be the inside gate, the part I'm pointing now, and this part is gonna be the part that's facing out. So when you come and you meet the gate, this is the part you meet, and you can scan your card or you can use your finger print right there. And one thing that's neat with this, it comes with water protection that you're gonna put here. Right. So when it rains, it doesn't disturb the fingerprint that much, and when you want to use the fingerprint, you flip it up. That way the fingerprint part stays dry, in theory. I don't know how it works in practice. I would assume this should have been a little bit longer, because if you have water hitting this way, you know, you have the driplet spreading, so you're probably gonna get water there. So I would have made this a little bit longer, and maybe all the way here to this part, that way, and this part all the way here, so it's fully enclosed. Right. So I see the idea, but I don't think the I mean, yeah, it does. It's gonna let if you have light rain, it's gonna do the job. But if you have heavy rains, the fingerprint thing's gonna be wet all the time. They should have made it longer and deeper so you can flip it up. But anyway, yes, and here you have the cable that connects to this one. And this one, this is kind of the motherboard, like. So this one is the one facing inside the gate. You do have a fingerprint there or a card. You have a key. You have a key thing, and you have this part that's gonna go here like that, right? And on this side you're going to have this part. Yeah, so that's how that's what is inside here. I mean, I don't want to open it now. I'd rather film another video when I'm installing it and when it's really installed. So if you want to see this thing working in action, I'm probably gonna throw some installation, some clips of me installing it as well. Subscribe to the channel, and if you already subscribed to the channel, just tune back or activate the notification bell to get notified when there's a new video, probably video about this one. I can see here, this is where you put the batteries. Somehow I don't know what's open, but I can see there's this rubber flap here, rubber. So I think this is for keeping water out of the lock itself. All right. So that was, oh yeah, and in here you do have, this is handy. I like when they do stuff like this, right? So just put this and then you know where to cut and how to install the lock. Pretty cool. See, all the other lock I bought didn't bring this, and that's unfortunate. But yeah, so guys, that's that was the unboxing. That's everything I had for this video. A quick unboxing about a smart lock, biometric smart lock. Anyway, if you watched the video to the end, thank you for support. Please leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button, and do remember to ring the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.